To dump a Game Boy Advance ROM following this guide, you will need the following: a Game Boy game, an R4 card which comes with a cheap, poor quality SD card, so I'd recommend buying another SD card, and make sure that it's smaller than 32 gigabytes or it won't work. You will also need a computer with an SD card slot and a DS Lite. If you just bought an R4 card, I would recommend taking out the cheap, poor quality SD card, putting it into your computer, and copy everything inside it somewhere onto your computer. Then eject it, throw it away, and grab your new one, put it into your PC, and copy everything from the other card onto your new card. Now head to the first link in the description, or open your favorite browser and type in GBA Backup Tool. Click on the projectpokemon.org link. You'll now be at the website in the description. Scroll down to Files. Download one of these three versions. I would recommend the 2.1 version. Once that's downloaded, extract it and open the folder. Move the GBA Backup Tool folder over to the new SD card. Eject the SD card and put it into the R4. Put the R4 into the DS Lite. Insert your Game Boy Advance game into the DS Lite. Power on the DS, and I don't have a DS Lite capture card, so this is the footage we're going with. Boot into the R4 card. Open the SD card, then navigate to the GBA Backup Tool folder. Open gbabackup.tool.nds. Push the A button to mount the GBA game. Then push the R button to switch to command mode to ROM backup. Push the B button and make sure the ROM name is correct before pushing A to dump the ROM. It shouldn't take long at all. Once that's finished, push start to power off the DS. Take out the Game Boy game and the R4, then replace the GBA cover if you still have yours. Shout out to you for taking care of your stuff. Take out the SD card and put it back into your PC. On your PC, navigate to the GBA backup folder in your SD card. Then save the .gba file somewhere onto your PC. Eject the SD card, then place it back into your R4.